How to create an interlacing camera effect in After Effects. Creating an interlacing camera effect in After Effects is really easy and can give your videos a cool vintage vibe. First, you need to have some clips to use for this effect. Select your clip and duplicate it. Move the duplicated clip forward by 3 frames from your first clip. You can choose to use more frames if you prefer. Next, go to the effects and presets and search for the Venetian Blinds plugin. Add it to your duplicated clip. Then go to the effects controls and set the transition completion value to 42%. Set the direction to 90 and set the white to 6. To make the effects better, use a brightness and contrast plugin and play around with it. You can also lower the opacity of the first clip for giving more impact. If you want a stronger effect, you can move the first clip forward a few frames. There we go, now you've created a very nice interlacing camera effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.